Uy, dumating na ang Infinix GT30 Pro. This is the one na hinahanap-hanap ko, yung may gaming kit. And ang color na meron ko dito is the dark flare version. So tara, samahan niyo ako, unbox muna natin. So ganito itsura ng kanyang box. Medyo malaki, no? E pagbukas natin, outplay the rest. And there's two boxes here. Isang GT30 Pro, yung phone itself, and yung kanyang gaming kit. So muna natin yung kanyang gaming kit. Ito yung mas exciting, no? They're rare. So ito yung kanyang case, no? Looks nice. Ito yung kanyang magnet, no? Bakal niya. Then together with it, meron tayong cable na C2C. And ito na, ang inaantay natin. This is yung kanyang mag charge cooler. Looks really nice. Nag-RGB to pag nakailaw. Ito yung kanyang magnet dito sa likod. Smooth na smooth siya, guys. Tingnan niyo. Then of course, buksan natin tong phone. Outplay the rest. Of course, syempre, meron ka ba naman ng 120 FPS di ba, all day long, talaga matatalo kalaban mo, di ba? Keep the win streak on. So ito yung kanyang SIM ejector tool. We have some manuals and yung mga warranty cards. Ito yung kanyang regular na case. Pero syempre, mas maganda yung kanyang case dito na kasama, na bago. No, yung may mag charge. So ito yung phone. What are the other stuff inside? Kailangan natin. We have yung 45 watts na charging brick. And we have your charging cable. Yun. So, syempre, ito yung dark flare version. Yan. Looks nice. No? Ang ganda na ng wallpaper. Oh. Anong panalo? Try ko lang pailawin para makita nilang, no? Yeah. Ganito itsura niya. Yung kanyang mechanical light waves. Looks really nice, no? There's yung regular niya. Makita natin color white. Pero mas maganda to di hamak, no? Tsaka, mas shiny likod niya, though fingerprint ang abot mo. Pero maganda naman. No? So, on the side, you can have your power button and yung volume rocker. Ang ganda dito sa kanya nakapula. No? So, ito yung tsura na sa ibabaw. Ito yung tsura na sa ilalim. And yung ma-expect mo dito is talaga a really good gaming experience. No? So, all you need to do is pumasok ka dito sa X Arena and i-load mo lahat ng games mo dito sa loob. And you get really good gaming experience dito. Lalo na, no, kung nakakabit ang iyong gaming cooler, ma-enhance talaga yung gaming experience mo dito. Lalo na nandito na yung gaming trigger, the first from any Infinix na phone. No? So, yeah, makita natin na talagang ibang experience na makita na sa full review natin ng Infinix GT30 Pro. So guys, if you're interested to know kung saan doon pwede mabili ito, just simply click the yellow basket. And kung gusto na makita full review, punta lang kayo sa YT channel ko.